Right, in this video we're going to do question 3 of the grade 10s. So whole question 3 is about debtors and creditors ledgers. Okay, and we're only going to do part 1 in this video. Okay, Flowering Plant is a landscaping business owned by Sophia. She also sells garden, furniture, fertilizers and plants. All of those things that she sells will be trading stock. She purchases stock from a main supplier, TS Plants. Okay, owed by Flowering Plant to TS Plants 35,000 rand. Okay, owed by Flowering Power to TS Plant 35,000. Okay, so that is what is owed right at the beginning. Okay, now you are owing, we are Flowering Plant, and we are owing to TS Plant. So that's why it's a creditors ledger. Okay, so on the first day of the month, March 2022, balance or account rendered brought down. Okay, it's always on the folio over here. In this, we're going to write brought down. Okay, just like in a T account, and we owe 35,000 rand. Okay, second part, purchase stock on credit. Okay, so we buy it on credit, we don't pay, for 7,200 and received a 5% trade discount. Now, trade discount is you are paying less. Okay, trade discount, you just pay the amount, so it's basically 95% of the 7,200 to get to the amount that we are actually paying, just like a normal sale. Okay, so there's the invoice, 7,200 times 95%. Okay, it's in the creditors journal. Okay, creditors journal, because we're buying it on credit. Okay, right, remember, creditors are liabilities. Liabilities increase on the credit side and decrease on the debit side. So it's plus 6,840 on the credit side, which increases 35,000 plus that 6,840 will give me 41,840 at the end of day 8. On day 15th, claimed an allowance from TS Plants for 1,470 debit note. Okay, so it's creditors allowance CAJ that we're going to look at now. Creditors allowances journal, as some of the stock purchased was damaged. Okay, so 1,470 is the discount that or allowance that we are getting. Okay, so the liability must decrease with 1,470. Okay, so there's the 1,470, there's the debit note number 4. On the details, we're always going to mention the source documents names. In the CAJ, so it's decreasing the amount, so 41,000 minus 1,470, and we are left with 40,370. Okay, and then lastly, pay TS Plants 39,000 with the EFT to settle the account in full. Okay, so let's do the 39,000 first. So we're paying it, and that's through the CPJ that we are paying. Okay, so EFT 182, 39,000 CPJ. It's also decreasing the liability. If we pay 39,000, we're still left with 1,370. But remember, this 39,000 is actually decreasing or actually paying the account in full. So this 1,370 will be an amount that we get off, and it's a discount that we receive. So we just add it again on the 22nd, and we say discount received, also with the 1,882 EFT. 1,370 is the amount that the account must become less with, because at the end the account must be settled in full, and we should have nothing left. Okay, I also gave you marks if you put in the dates, if you put in all these journals that you have to put in here for the folio. And remember, liabilities increase on that side, that increases the balance, and the debit side decreases the balance. So that was part A, the creditors ledger.